So side-by-side comparison of what happens after the exhaust is ever so slightly modified. Fire up. Lovely. Next one.